52.
They're from Seattle, the Brave Bots.
Next, we got team 25-22.
From Bothell, Royal Robotics.
And rounding out this alliance, we got team 25-57.
They're from Tacoma, the Soda Bots.
Over here on the Blue Alliance, let's start with team 4089.
They're from Duvall, Stealth Robotics.
In the middle, we got team 6350.
From Enumclaw, the Clawbots.
And rounding out this alliance, we got team 4512.
From Everett, Otter Chaos.
I got 2 thumbs up. That means we're ready to start this match. Drivers behind the line. And in 3, 2, 1, go.
Qual 17 is underway. 3 or 4 outer port shots. 1 almost inner port shot there coming at you from Otter Chaos, but it bounces back into the outer port. Looks like the Red Alliance will pull ahead at the end of this autonomous period, 29-22. Some of that coming courtesy of the Brave Bots and that low port scoring. It's worth 2 points per during the autonomous period. And it can be enough to push some of those tiebreakers into their favor. Soda Bots dialing it in. Inner port shot successful there from that 2557. That's that neon yellow machine there. The other 2 power cells they just tried bounce back at them. Their alliance partners will come up and try their attempt. Royal Robotics, 1 and 2, bounce right back off the wall, and they will return to sender and try again. Blue Alliance Otter Chaos successfully scoring a few outer port power cells. They'll go back through the Blue Alliance trench. That trench does contain a control panel, very rarely used so far here in the off season. Maybe as the event continues on, we'll start to see some more of that. Still over half the event left to go. About half the match left to go, speaking of. 3-point swing. Red Alliance currently in the lead, but just barely so. Blue Alliance would like to change that. This Blue Alliance machine of Otter Chaos, specifically, lined up at the edge of the trench. They've got 5 power cells in that machine. Can they make them go anywhere? Yes, yes, no, yes. And again, the other one falls off the machine. That's actually enough to put them in the lead by just a little bit, 52-47 here as we near our end game period. 1 red robot's already parked and waiting for it. Royal Robotics just hanging out, resting up, getting ready to go, and now they'll get ready for their pull-up exercises. Lined up with the generator switch. They're just waiting on, I think, an alliance partner. Indeed, they're waiting on 4682 there. The Brave Bots to get latched on. Just 7 seconds left for that to happen. There's already 2 blue bots in the air, so they got to move quick. Looks like they will, well, maybe balance out that blue score. Indeed, they will. We'll get a final score to you shortly. Results are in for qualification match number 17. It's the Red Alliance with a final score of 118 to the Blue Alliance's 102. And 3 rank points for each of those Red Alliance teams, 2 for winning the match, and 1 for that spectacular show in the endgame period. Just barely a level switch, which was enough to get them that 65-point endgame. We'll be back at you soon with qualification match number 18.